Have you ever wondered if our feline friends experience discomfort during their heat cycles? To better understand this, let's first define what a cat's heat cycle is. In essence, it's a biological process that kicks in when a cat reaches puberty. This is Mother Nature's way of saying that the cat is now capable of reproducing. Now, you might be wondering how often this heat cycle occurs. Well, if a cat doesn't mate, this cycle can repeat itself every 2 to 3 weeks. That's right, it's not a once-in-a-blue-moon event. It's a recurring phase in a cat's life that can be as frequent as every fortnight or so. But here's an interesting fact about cats and their heat cycles. Cats experience what is known as induced ovulation. This means that the act of mating itself triggers ovulation. Unlike humans, who have a set menstrual cycle regardless of whether they engage in sexual activity, a cat's ovulation is directly linked to mating activity. The absence of mating doesn't stop the heat cycle from recurring, but it does prevent ovulation within that cycle. So, you see, our feline companions have a quite unique reproductive cycle. And just like humans, cats too undergo significant hormonal changes during their heat cycles. This can affect their behavior and potentially cause them discomfort, much like women during certain phases of their menstrual cycle. But we'll delve deeper into that in the next segment. But how do you know if your cat is in heat? Well, there are several signs that can give you an idea. One of the most noticeable signs is a change in your cat's behavior. You might notice your usually calm and independent feline friend becoming unusually affectionate and demanding of attention. Restlessness is another common symptom, with your cat seeming unable to settle down. Physical changes can also occur. For instance, your cat's genitals may appear swollen. This is a biological response to the heat cycle and is completely natural. However, it can cause some discomfort for your cat. Speaking of discomfort, let's delve a little deeper into that. Much like how some women experience discomfort during their menstrual cycle, cats too can experience similar feelings during their heat cycle. This discomfort can manifest in various ways, such as increased agitation or unusual vocalizations. Now, you might be wondering, how much discomfort does a cat in heat actually feel? Unfortunately, the answer isn't clear-cut. There isn't a lot of empirical research quantifying pain levels in cats during their heat cycles. However, based on observations, it's suggested that cats can experience significant discomfort. It's important to remember that each cat is unique and may not exhibit all these signs or may show others not mentioned here. So, if you notice your cat behaving unusually or showing signs of distress, it's always a good idea to consult with a veterinarian. Recognizing these signs can help you provide the necessary care and comfort to your feline friend. So what can you do to ease your cat's discomfort during their heat cycle? There are several ways you can help your feline friend during this time. First off, providing a quiet hideaway can be a great comfort. Cats often seek solitude during their heat cycle, so a calm, quiet space where they can retreat may alleviate some stress. In addition to this, maintaining routine care is vital. Regular brushing can have a soothing effect, and pets can provide additional comfort. It's important to remember that while your kitty may be more demanding of your attention during this time, it's because they're seeking comfort and reassurance from you. Distractions can also be beneficial. Toys and puzzles can keep your cat's mind off their discomfort and can provide some much-needed fun amidst all the hormonal changes they're experiencing. Speaking of hormones, synthetic feline pheromones are worth considering. These can mimic the natural, calming pheromones produced by cats and can help to reduce stress and anxiety during the heat cycle. Alongside these suggestions, you might also want to consider vet-approved supplements. These can help to balance your cat's hormone levels and ease symptoms. However, always consult your vet before introducing any new supplements into your cat's diet. Now, it's important to understand that while the fertile heat phase, when cats ovulate, lasts about 1 to 2 days, the hormonal effects can persist for 1 to 3 weeks. This means your cat may be experiencing discomfort for a longer period than you might initially think. That's why veterinary care is so crucial during your cat's heat cycles. Regular checkups can help monitor your cat's health and ensure they're coping as well as possible. Your vet can also provide further advice and treatment options tailored to your cat's individual needs. In conclusion, there are many ways to provide care for a cat in heat, from creating a calm environment to maintaining routine care, and from providing distractions to seeking veterinary advice. You have a variety of tools at your disposal. Remember, your cat relies on you for comfort and care during these uncomfortable times. Did you know that there's a way to prevent these heat cycles altogether? That's right, spaying. Spaying is a surgical procedure that not only prevents your cat from going into heat, but also eliminates the risk of certain diseases like ovarian and uterine cancers. It's a win-win, really, but what if your cat is already in heat and showing signs of distress? These can range from restlessness, swollen genitals, to drastic personality changes. If you observe these signs, it's vital to seek immediate veterinary attention. Your furry friend could be in significant discomfort, and only a vet can provide the right care and treatment. And this brings us to our final point: regular veterinary checkups. Even if your cat isn't in heat or showing any signs of distress, regular checkups are essential to monitor their overall health. These visits can help detect potential issues early on and ensure your cat is always at their best. Understanding your cat's heat cycle and providing the right care can significantly improve their quality of life.